Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to rewrite this function first. We can simply write that this is x to the fourth over x minus 1 over x. So I have y is equal x to the fourth divided by x is x to the third minus x to negative 1. Next, I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a sum, even if I have the difference, because derivatives of a sum or derivative of a difference is just different by the signs, okay? But the technique is exactly the same. So what we're supposed to do? Simply write dy over dx is equal the derivative of x cubed minus x to negative 1 over dx. This is equal dx cubed over dx minus dx to negative 1 over dx. This is equal. Okay, I'm not going to write anymore the invisible one. I'm going to simply write that this is 3x 3 minus 1 minus negative 1 x negative 1 minus 1. So I have 3x to the second power plus 1x to negative 2. This could be your answer, or you can write that this is equal 3x squared plus 1 over x squared. Either answer is correct. So we can say that the problem is solved.